Hi everyone, and today I'm going to tell you how can you write a short paragraph on flood and or our national integration. So you can start. So we are going to write first integrate national integration. National integration is the new unity and harmony among people of different religion, languages, and culture within a country. It promotes a sense of belonging and strengthens the board of oneness among its citizens. National integration is essential for the progress and stability of a nation. It helps in reducing conflict and fostering peace and ensuring equality for everyone. By respecting diversity and working together, we can build a strong and united nation where everyone thrives. On flood, you can start with a flood is a natural disaster that occurs when water overflow onto the land, submerging submerging homes, roads, and field. It is usually caused by the heavy rainfall, overflowing rivers, and melting snow. Floods can destroy crops, damage buildings, and displace people from their homes. They also disrupt daily life and pose health risk due to waterborne diseases. However, flood also replenish soil fertility by depositing depositing the nutrient-rich sediment, and proper planning like building dams and improving drainage systems can help reduce the impact of floods. So this is how you can guys write short paragraph on both flood and national integration. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye.